What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with my Beta 75 Pro, and I'm out here with it because I want to test these new props I have. These are the LDARC 40mm props, and this is the first time I've seen these, so I think they're fairly new. These are the 1545s, and these are the 1mm shaft versions. So I will be testing this on the 75 Pro 2 as well for the 2S test. But this is the 1S 75 Pro, and I have these Happymodel 19,000 kV motors on it. These are 803 motors, so kind of beefy for this type of quad here. I did recently do a video on this, and so you should have an idea of what the punch out is. I know I do. You can go back to the video and check it out. I'll have the link in the description so you guys can check that video out, so you can compare the punch out on that one to this one that you're about to see on this. And so we're going to be testing it with my favorite battery for 1S. This is the Infinity 450 milliamp hour HV Graphene Tech Pack 85C, as you can see there. So let's get this thing up in here and check it out. Oh, before I take it up, I just want to let you guys know that I did weigh these. I was comparing these to my current favorite, which is the Gym Fan 40mm props. I think they're the 1540 props. I don't know if they're 1545. I think they're 1540. So these might have a little more pitch. Those Gym Fans are super hard to remove from motors and all, but surprisingly they weren't that hard to remove from these motors here. So a really nice fit for these motors, and these weren't hard to get on. The weight of those are about 0.5 grams, and the weight of these were coming up about 0.4 grams, so maybe a little lighter. And I did test the consistency of the props, like I tested more than one prop, and these were coming up all 0.4 grams. And so actually the Gym Fan props are the props that I do use in the other video of this little guy. And so let's look at a quick punch out and all and see how it flies around. We're in here with it. Let's try a punch out. Pretty decent punch out still. Very comparable to the Gym Fan props. At this point, I can't really tell which ones are better, because the punch out is nice with these, and the punch out was nice with the Gym Fan props as well. So I guess these are a nice alternative to the Gym Fan props. I think these might be cheaper than the Gym Fan props. Working this battery out here. Really nice colorful props. Almost hit the top of the gate there. Okay, so the battery's tapping out. Oh! Yeah, the battery's getting really weak. Let's try a punch right now. Okay, yeah. So we're gonna bring it in. I don't want to kill this battery too much, but that's it. A quick demo flight with these props here, new from LDARC. These are the 1545 40mm props. As for now, it seems like these are really nice props to use for 1S. Thanks for watching.